What's up guys, and today I have an Apple product. So inside this Apple bag I have an Apple Watch and a charger brick, and so it's called the 20-watt power adapter. And I also have this, it's made from China, and it's the case for the Apple Watch. And here we have the Apple Watch. So I bought the Apple Watch Nike edition, Series 7. So let's unbox this. So here we got the Apple Watch. And here we have the band. It's a really nice design. Okay, guys, I was struggling to open this, but I finally got it to open, and we got to the inside of the box, and here we have the Apple Watch Series 7. I'll leave it there. And we got some instruction paper. We don't need this. And here we got the USB Type-C fast charging cable. So as you can see, it's Type-C. We'll leave these out of the way, and here we got the Apple Watch Series 7. Let's see it. Okay, so I picked the midnight blue color. Yeah, I think it's just midnight. But here is the Apple Watch. It's a really nice Apple Watch. And it's 41 millimeters. And now I'll unbox the band. So it also has this pull tab, I think. And I will just open it from here. So for the band, I picked the Midnight Loop, the Sport Loop. Yeah, so here it is. It's a really nice band. Okay. So let's connect the Apple Watch to the band. Okay, and the other side, it's not connected. Okay, so I got it connected. I'll leave this right there. And we got the case and the adapter. So let's open this with snap. So here we go. Okay, so we got the adapter here and the case here. So I'll use them. I'll use this when I sleep so that it doesn't scratch. And this is for the charging cable, the fast charging cable. So let's see the Apple Watch. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's starting. Okay, so I've set the Apple Watch and I got the new watch face. So this is the contour one. And yeah, the Nike bounce. So if I compare it to the Nike bounce here, yeah, you can see the screen size is really different. Yeah, I love the screen size difference. So this is the Series 5 and this is the Series 7. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.